Hi everybody, and welcome to Champion Trading. Again, what we're excited to show you today, this is, we just got done with this, we're completely rebuilt. This is a JH Day double ribbon blender. I know a lot of you are familiar with them. JH Day is probably one of the oldest manufacturers, if not the oldest in the country. They are now absorbed by other companies, but they probably started in the 1930s. This is a Model C, which is a 12.5 cubic foot total capacity and 10 cubic foot working capacity. We've installed a brand new WEG 2 horsepower all stainless steel drive. As you can see, it's got a Dodge gear reducer, change sprocket drive, all stainless steel 2-piece guard. We even left a small port here you can open up, and you want to see what's going on if there's a maintenance issue, something like that. We also have standard packing gland seals in here, Jim, if you get a look at them. We fabricated the new pushers for them. Standard Teflon braided packing in there. We've got a full cover, as you can see up top. It's 2-piece. There is silicone gasketing around the edge. And Jim, come on, give us a look inside. The ribbon had actually a couple little waves in it where it had been dented or slightly twisted. It does not affect its operation. As you can see, it will still mix just as well as any other configuration. This is a silicone adhesive back gasket around here, gives you a nice dust-tight seal. We bolt close one half of the cover, the part that's away from you now, and then of course this cover here easily closes for an operator to load down with a handle right on top. Has a standard center bottom discharge. Right now we're operating on 220 3-phase voltage. Manually operated swing gate closure on the bottom. We've had a little modification to it. You see underneath here there's a small hand wheel. When JH Day designed the unit, it only had a small round disc at the end of the rod, which swings under the round opening from the center bottom discharge. There's a nut on the, or a small bolt on the end to move that up and just tighten it up a little bit. Well, if you're going to be doing that, it's going to be easier to have the handle on there. Makes it nice and easy to do. Of course, we've got a couple of covers here on the idler end. This is the actual factory stand. The blender is painted steel on the exterior and stainless sanitary on the inside with all Wells polished ground food standards. We have lots of blenders like this in our stock, so we do hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We have ribbon blenders, paddle blenders, twin shell blenders, double cone blenders, and everything else in process and packaging in our inventory approaching 3,000 items. So we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.